Now we are going to start up with the next concept, that is RequestDispatcher. This is one more type of server-side communication. Already we have seen sessions, cookies. Now this RequestDispatcher. Even RequestDispatcher is meant for transferring the data from one servlet to another servlet. You can see same example I have modified slightly. Here same two text fields are available. Once it reaches the control to this one, here we are capturing the values and I'm checking A is greater than B. In the request, you can see in the request, in the name of RES, I'm storing A value. Then RequestDispatcher, this is an interface. I'm creating a reference for this RequestDispatcher interface. With for that, making it complete, get servlet context, complete servlet information I'm retrieving, and I'm redirecting the control to next servlet using /a. You just check it out. ./a I'm not using because this servlet and the other servlets, all the servlets will be on same level only. So /a, if you provide for RequestDispatcher, that is sufficient. When it comes to send redirect, that is different, where you need to provide dot, because at the time different levels we will be there. It is not in the same folder level. Here we are in same level. We are transferring the control to this servlet. Just control transferring only will happen over here. If you need to transfer the value also, remember this: rd.forward. In the request, you have stored your data, so you are forwarding your request also, which holds the value. Response you are forwarding. Of course, nothing will be there in the response. Remember this point. Response, just it will give, it will hold your information like which type of response, text /html. This kind of basic information will be there. Other than that, nothing. Content will be there. Okay, where we are just transferring the control and values also to the respective thing. This RequestDispatcher will provide you two different methods. One is forward, another one is include. If you use forward, what will happen? It is just like first servlet will go to second servlet and give the data. I will come to you and give the data in that way. When it comes to include, you should come to me and take the data. That is what a difference between forward and include. So whichever you are comfortable, you can go with that. If both are same only, better you can use forward so that it will go to the other servlet and use the data to that. Okay, here also we are transferring the control and giving the data. Here also we are transferring the control and providing the data to next servlet. Okay, here whatever the data we have captured, that we are printing over here. B is greater with the value request.getAttribute. As we have stored the data over there in the request, so from request, in the name of RES, whatever the attribute is there, retrieving and printing over here. Next, same way here also, A is greater with the value this one. Let me run this and show you the result. A is greater with the value 123, and it has shown the parameters also, you can see over here. Now B is greater with the value. What happened to this? 124 has to display, right? Oh, here I have stored A value, so only it has transferred A. Okay, here if you set B, then it will transfer B. Let me rerun it. B is greater with the value 14 and A is greater with the value 120. This is what your request dispatcher is all about. Next, the final type, that is hidden form fields, we are going to see in next example. What is hidden form fields? How to transfer the data using hidden form fields. Next example.